Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your Spotify playing random songs. So if your Spotify is doing this, then basically your autoplay or your shuffle play is probably on your Spotify. For that, you need to go inside the playlist which you're currently playing. So let's say I was playing music from this playlist and it just plays random music instead of going one by one like in the ascending order. So in that case, the shuffle play button, turn it off. So the shuffle play button is this one where it shows two arrows pointing at the same direction. So if it is green with the tick mark on, that means your shuffle play is on and it's going to play random music. So click on that two arrow button and it will turn white. Once it turns white, you have turned off shuffle play. That means now it's going to stop playing random music. After doing that, what you need to do is click on your Spotify's profile picture at the top left corner of your screen. Once you click on it, click on where it says settings and privacy. From inside settings and privacy, click on where it says playback. Over here, scroll a bit down and where it says autoplay similar content, make sure to turn it off. Once you turn this off, your problem should be fixed. By doing these two things, your Spotify should stop playing random songs. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. I will see you guys next time.